Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. If you're a subscriber, thanks for coming back and thank you for being a subscriber. If you're new to my channel, thanks for stopping by and checking out this video. Please subscribe and hit that notification button so you know when I upload new videos. Anyway, so here's this super simple cat makeup look for Halloween. Purpose of this video is just to keep it super simple for people who may have been at work all day or who may be looking for something that's like last minute, super easy with some things you already have. Yeah, that's kind of what I'm going with there. Obviously, there's a million other videos out there with more intricate makeup looks and whatnot or whatever, and I'm just trying to keep it simple over here and be as easy as possible. It's Halloween, have fun with it. I mean, some people, obviously, some people just, you know, they go all out and whatever, and if you could do that, fine. Again, I'm trying to keep it simple. I'm ready to run out the door with my kids because it's all about them and what they're doing. So I just like to join in, so I need to be quick with me. So anyway, if you want to see how to do this super simple, easy cat look, then just keep watching. Okay, so we're just gonna jump right in. Obviously, like I said, my face has already been done from the day, like all my makeup. I just kept it very plain and simple. So you wanna, I'm just gonna take this NYX Professional Makeup eye pencil in the color black. Ooh, sorry, I got a little close there. But you're gonna wanna make sure you sharpen it. You know, the sharper it is, obviously, the finer the tip. Or, you know, if you want, you can use like a felt tip. But I'm going to use that for my winged liner. So you can just jump right in. So I am just looking at a photo from prior, from doing this prior, just to kind of keep my reference. Because obviously it's not something I do every day. I don't color my face like a cat. So it's not like second nature to me. So you can just go in and you're gonna start by coloring the bottom part of your nose black. So you can just do your outline like so and then just go ahead and color it in. I will say you can either color it in with the eyeliner, you can use a, you can do that and then put a black shadow on it in a sense to like set that. So you're just gonna have to play around with it. So we'll just start with that. Again, you want to make sure you have a sharp tip, so I'm just going to go ahead and sharpen that again because I kind of wore it down coloring in my nose. You can put as many dots as you want, or you can put as little dots as you want. You can keep it simple. Just like that. And then you can just draw 3 whiskers. Just like that. And then what you're going to want to do is take that and just draw a line connecting your nose to your lip. You can do it as thick or as thin as you want. Drawing it like that. Now, this step is optional. I do have a black lipstick. I had picked it up at Ulta. It is the, pretty sure it's Milani. Yeah, the Milani lipstick in Black Spell, because they had a bunch of like Halloween stuff out. I think it was like $5. So you can use that, or you can outline with a liner and just color that top lip in. obviously having a black lipstick is going to make that easier, and it is going to transfer to the bottom lip, but you don't have to color in the bottom lip if you don't want to. Okay, so you have it like that if you want to go. I mean, obviously you can leave it like this if you want. I'm going to go an extra step and just do a wing liner just to jazz it up a bit. I'm hoping you guys can see this because I got to get up all up in my mirror, so let's see. So when I brought it down a little further in the inner corner, so you could totally leave it like that. So I'm going to go ahead and do the other eye. So there you go. You can do a wing liner. Keep it as simple or add more to it if you want. If you want to do the bottom of your eye and then come in a little bit, you can. If you want to do the under part of your eye in a white or like a nude color, like this Bonaparte one I use all the time. You can do that and it'll just open up that eye a bit. I'm going to pop on some lashes. I'm just going to use these Ardell Wispies. I think they were like $5 maybe? 5 at Ulta? I don't know. So I'll be right back. So there you have it. I mean, super simple, super easy. I just did a wing liner. I put on those lashes. You can put your hair up in 2 buns and people will get the idea that it's supposed to be ears. I actually bought a little set at Walmart. I think it was like $3.88. And you get, I think it was $3.88. Might have been $5.88. Bad with prices when I start filming because I don't have it in front of me. Anyway, so it's ears and then you get the little bow. So you put those on and you actually get a tail with it as well. But I'm not going to put a tail on in this video. So you get the point. And then you can put on your little bow. And there you go. Super easy, last minute, no hassle, Halloween makeup. Again, this is catering towards people who might be in a hurry or don't have any experience with doing any kind of intricate Halloween makeup. Just have fun with it. That's what the whole idea of Halloween is. I know there's like amazing makeup artists out there doing all these different things and that and whatever. You know what? And kudos to them. They are freaking amazing. I'm just trying to keep it simple over here and just show you some easy ideas. So I hope you guys enjoyed this video. Leave your comments below. And as always, hope you enjoy the rest of the day or the evening or whenever you're watching this. Bye.